around the Christmas tree lights.
Okay.
I did a thing because we don't have a tree topper, so we'll see what you like.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, we're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face, and later we warm up by the fireplace. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day.
do need to fix those curtains, but that's not bad. Okay, want to see option 2?
Yeah.
Okay, this has got a little bling.
Bling is good.
That's a very messy bow. Maybe move that green, flip that green backwards.
Oh, I like that
Yeah,
too.
that's not bad either. Considering I just grabbed ribbon from where I had it.
I like that too.
Okay, so we've got Angel. Well, no. Maybe. We got no.
Why not?
We have Angel. We have very messy bow with bling. You guys tell us in the comments below which one we should use. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.